How to set up weekly screen time updates on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up weekly screen time updates on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the TikTok app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once here, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner, then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down till you get to screen time. Then next there's the option, the fourth one down, that says weekly screen time updates. So stay updated on your time from your app inbox. So you can just toggle this one on, and then that has set up weekly screen time updates. If you want to turn it off again, just toggle it off. And that's all it takes to set up weekly screen time updates on your TikTok profile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.